Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll be talking about this Klipsch Reference Premier RP-140SA Dolby Atmos speakers, 200 watts peak power. So if you're looking at this kind of speakers, you already know what it does. What it is Dolby Atmos, so it created like sound effects for you. So these kind of speakers, you can set it on top of your two fronts, or if you prefer, you can mount them. And look at this picture right here. Basically, what it is, you mount it on somewhere high up enough where the sound will reflect down. So when there's like maybe an airplane goes by, or maybe a takeoff, or even with the shooting, then you can it will give you the effects as if there's a plane on top of you, give like a real that you're inside the movie. Okay, so if you ask me if this is bigger than or better than the one that you actually drill the holes in the ceilings, probably not. The one in the ceiling are probably better, but if you're given a situation where you can't drill the hole, or it's not your house, you just want something quick and easy and still get the sound effects, these type of speakers will do. You could get like maybe one set for the front and then maybe another set for the back, okay, or maybe another set for the side of it, so that give you all the effects that you need. The regular price for the speakers, as you can see here, it's $499, and again, like, I highly doubt that anybody would pay for that price. But for $219, if you're asking me, is it a good deal? I think so. Okay, so this is from Adorama. Okay, they sell cameras, all types of electronic stuff. So we're gonna go down and we're gonna take a look and see, like, be the first to review this this item. So apparently they haven't had any reviews yet. Let's see if there's any description about this. Okay, the Reference Premier RP here enable elevation speaker effortlessly adds the Dolby Atmos experience to your current floor, standing, or bookshelf speakers. In addition to delivering the Klipsch Dolby Atmos sounds, the RP-140SA elevation speaker's versatility allows it to become a surround sound speaker angled perfectly on your wall, just like I've mentioned. So this one has the tweeter is 1 inch, and the cone is 4 inch. And that's the technology used, 90 by 90 hybrid Trax horn, MDF cabinet, brush, polymer, veneer, baffle finish. That's the dimension, so 7 by 6 by 11. We can take a look at more pictures at a different angles, a little bit better there. Facing down, this is from behind. You can use banana plugs with this. Okay, with the cover on. So see, and here, if you don't want to drill it in, you just leave it at the front, and that's what it looks like. You just place it right on top. Some of the Klipsch newer model, they already have these kind of speakers built into it. Just make sure that when you're in the market, just make sure you look for it, okay? And it will tell you whether the speakers is equipped with Dolby Atmos. Here, look at this. There you go. This is all Klipsch right here. So if you're a Klipsch fan, okay, you can see right here on the very top, this one is already equipped with the Dolby Atmos right there. Okay, on the floor speakers, you can see right there, and they have here. Wow, this is a really nice setup here, and you can see on the back here, this one right here, it's the rear speaker is not equipped with or it doesn't come with the Dolby Atmos, so you just buy this as an extended and then just place it on top, and there you go. No drilling necessary. Blah blah blah. $499, $219. Well, this talks more about the speaker itself, and I believe all of this Klipsch speakers come with a 5 years warranty. So if there's any issue with your speakers, just give them a call and they'll take care of you. There's one time that I had to contact Klipsch regarding one of my center speakers. I think the RC62. I bought it from Fry's Electronics. I think it was for 130 or 135. It was a pretty good deal. For some reason, I think I maxed it out, like the volume. At the time, I think I had a really powerful amp, and one of the speaker blew, and it stopped making noise. So I contacted the 1-800 number, and I think maybe within 3 days, they sent me a new replacement speaker. And over the phone, the representative asked whether I can just install it myself. And looking at the speakers, I told them yes, it's something that I can do, and it's fairly easy. Usually, there's only a couple of screws that you need to unscrew it and just take out the old one and just put the new one back in. And that's what I did. And when I removed the old speakers, I'm looking at it and I don't see anything wrong with it. But it just doesn't make any noise. So I don't know, something's in there that might have triggered, the fuse or whatever from the speaker, but it stopped making noise, it stopped working. So that's my experience with the Klipsch. So as far as the company-wise, is really good. I do own like the older generation, the RF7, and I love it more than anything else. I have JBLs as well, but for home theater, I think Klipsch is the brand to go to. Okay, so here we have the whole Klipsch system here. It's a little bit pricey. It's $3,299, but pretty much this is the whole system. Okay, you get a total of 2 front, 2 rear, and a center, and a subwoofer, as well as the receiver. We're gonna go down. The regular price for this is $5,534.95. And again, a manufacturer price, usually I don't think anybody would buy at this price. Okay, but for $3,200, if you have the money and you're willing to, if you're a music lover or home theater, you watch a lot of movies, this is the way to go. We're gonna go down and we're gonna take a little bit of the more pictures or details about this product. Let's see if there's any pictures so we can take a look at. Apparently not. That's only pictures. Just closed up a little bit so we can see a little bit better. There you go. I think this is the latest model. You can see the red or the orange cone around the woofers. Okay. Yeah, man. Let's see. I've never seen this woofer before, too, subwoofer. But let's see. And nobody had given any feedbacks yet or reviews. This is Dolby Atmos, same here, all new vent intuitors. Yeah, this is the latest model that they have. There we go. You can do bi-wiring, bi-amping capability, so do input on the terminals. So behind these speakers, they have like the dual input, so you can bi-amp or bi-wire if you want to. Okay, again, the subject is very subjective, because some people say the sound will be better, and then there are some that say it doesn't matter. So, and we're not going to touch base on that. So again, like if you have the extra money and you want to go all out with Klipsch, this is the package for you. And Autorama, they also have like a little a cheaper package if you want to go to. You just have to go through the website and see what is more suitable for you. So like right here is about $1,000 here, and over here we got like a little bit more expensive. But we can click on this one right here. Okay, so this one about $2,400. This one doesn't come with the receiver. So, but this is what you get. So the review for this is quite good. 75 reviews right here, and we can click on it and we'll see what this one. It doesn't give us the date, but wow, this replaced a similar set made by the same manufacturer I purchased in 2000. What a difference in 17 years. I should suggest spending the extra money to get the top of the speakers configured with the Dolby Atmos features. Make sure your receiver is capable of sending separate signal to the Atmos features of the speaker. This feature will require two setup speaker inputs, one for the primary speaker, positive, negative, and the separate one for the Atmos. And we do get a negative one. I ordered 2 pair, then days later decided not to order one more. The price had dropped on the web page. I placed the order. The next day I logged in to check on my order and they canceled it without letting me know. I asked why and they said it was below their cost. How is that my fault or my problem? So the 1 star, it's not the product on the Klipsch. It's about maybe there's something with the website or with the customer service as well. But as far as the speakers, should be good. Okay, as you can see, almost all the feedbacks are positive. At least majority of them are 5. You get a 1 right, 4 right there. So again, so maybe this is another route that you might want to go to, and you want to save some money, or if you already have this receiver, then go with this package. I'll list all the links in the description, so that way it'll make it easier for you guys if you guys want to purchase completely. By the way, I'm not affiliated with any website over here. I just like to, if I see the deals out there and I think that it would benefit viewers, then I just post them. Other than that, this is it. I'll see you guys in the next video. La, 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 la.